Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The dollar-yen pair dove 1% in the last session. The ROC is giving a positive signal. The Bitcoin-dollar pair skyrocketed 4.2% in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a positive signal. The gold fell 0.6% against the dollar in the last trading session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal. The oil-dollar pair plummeted 1.4% in the last session. The stochastic indicator is giving a positive signal.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
Gold prices eased on dollar strength and higher bond yields, although expectations of a US rate cut in September and escalating geopolitical tensions in the Middle East kept bullion stable following last session's sharp retreat. The dollar recovered ground against most major peers, and the Japanese yen steadied around 7-month highs against the US currency as some of the more striking moves of recent days reversed somewhat and a semblance of calm returned to markets. Over half of the 50 largest cryptocurrencies by market capitalization are in the red following the biggest crypto sell-off in over a year. The entire crypto market saw a $510 billion drop in total market capitalization.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
Japan's coincident index will be released at 5 GMT, the US MBA mortgage applications at 11 GMT, Japan's current account at 2350 GMT. Germany's industrial production will be released at 6 GMT. Germany's trade balance at 6 GMT, the UK's RICS housing price balance at 2301 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.